Do you ever feel like you're working hard but still not getting ahead financially? You're not alone. In fact, millions of people are stuck in a cycle of working just to pay bills without ever achieving true financial freedom. But here's the good news. 2025 presents opportunities like never before. Today, I am going to show you the easiest and most practical way to achieve financial freedom in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with an actual step-by-step roadmap to break free from the rat race. Transition to core message. First, let us get one thing straight. Financial freedom is not about being rich, it's about having choices. It means your money works for you, instead of you constantly working for money. So, how do you make that shift in 2025? Step 1. Master the mindset shift. Most people think financial freedom starts with money, but actually it starts with mindset. The average person works to survive. The financially free person works to build assets. In 2025, the biggest difference between winners and losers financially is this: the losers consume more than they invest. The winners invest more than they consume. If you adopt just this one principle, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Step 2. Leverage technology and AI. Here's the easiest part about 2025. It has never been easier to create income streams online. We live in the era of AI, automation, and digital tools that can multiply your productivity. You don't need huge capital anymore to start, you just need skills and consistency. For example, you can build a one-person online business using AI tools for content, design, and marketing. You can start freelancing or consulting with AI as your assistant. You can even launch a digital product, like an ebook or course, with almost zero upfront costs. The opportunities are endless, but the trick is to focus on building something that creates scalable, recurring income. That's what leads to freedom. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. You've heard the saying, never depend on a single income source. That has never been truer than in 2025. Here's a simple framework. Primary income, your job or main business. Side hustle income, something flexible like freelancing, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. Passive income, investments, digital products, or rental assets. The goal is to start stacking these streams, so even if one slows down, the others keep flowing. Imagine having 3, 4, or 5 different income streams. That's what cushions you against financial stress. Step 4. Invest smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about the engine behind financial freedom: investing. In 2025, you don't need to gamble on risky stocks or chase hype coins. You need a balanced, practical investment approach. Index funds and ETFs for long-term growth, dividend-paying stocks for steady cash flow. Real estate or REITs if you want exposure to property without managing tenants. And yes, a small portion in crypto or AI-driven ventures, but only money you can afford to risk. Remember, financial freedom is built on consistency, not lottery wins. Invest monthly, automate it, and let compound growth work for you. Step 5. Cut lifestyle inflation. Here's where most people fail. They earn more but also spend more: better car, bigger house, more debt. That's why even high-income earners often stay broke. The easiest way to financial freedom: live below your means and invest the difference. If you can save and invest even 20 to 30% of your income consistently, you'll reach freedom way faster than most people around you. Step 6. Create freedom systems. Financial freedom isn't about working 24/7. It's about building systems that make money while you sleep. This could be a YouTube channel generating ad revenue, an online course that sells itself, a business where you've automated 80% of the processes, or even just your investments working in the background. In 2025, automation and AI tools make this easier than ever. You can literally set up a system once and let it run while you focus on growing or enjoying your life. Reality check and motivation. Look, financial freedom won't happen overnight. But here's the truth: it's much closer than you think. If you spend the next 12 months building the right skills, stacking income streams, and investing consistently, you can completely change your financial trajectory. So let's recap. Shift your mindset from consumer to investor. Use AI and tech to create income streams. Build multiple sources of revenue. Invest smart, consistently. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Build systems that work without you. If you commit to these 6 steps, you'll discover the easiest path to financial freedom in 2025. Now, here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take one step today, whether it's opening an investment account, starting a side hustle, or cutting one unnecessary expense. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more strategies on building wealth, investing, and achieving freedom. And let me know in the comments, what is your number one step towards financial freedom this year? I'd love to hear your plan.